Yes, good afternoon to all.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay. Is it this PPT visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what all we studied in the last class?
Example घेतलेलं sir.
Example. Homework द्या, sir.
Have you solved that homework problem?
So
Yes,
Yes. How many of you have solved?
yes, sir.
Yes. Can anybody give me the answers?
Sir, H0.
HA, okay. HA is 0. Okay. Whenever load is inclined, at that time HA will be there. The remaining times HA will be 0. Okay. Next.
V is equal to 35.1.
35.1. Next.
And VB 45. Sorry, 55.
Yes, sir, right.
Correct. Huh? Okay. Next. एक ही प्रॉब्लम था क्या? दो दिया था?
एक ही दिया था.
एक ही दिए थे. Is it correct? Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Everyone, have you solved this problem? Huh? सब लोग, have you solved this problem or no?
Solve किया है sir, but answer different है.
Answer different. Okay. Oh, okay. I will take this problem. Then, okay, फिर से solve करेंगे. This was a little bit different है क्या? Okay, I will take this problem.
Yes.
So, what was the distance? That is 1 meter. Next, there was 2 meter. Next, there was 3 meter. Correct?
Yes, sir.
3 meter consider करो.
Yes.
This is 2 meter. Then remaining is 3 meter. Where is the support? Where is the support? Support कहाँ पर है?
1 meter.
1 meter के end में.
This is hinge support, correct? This is hinge support. Then there will be another support. There is a roller support.
Roller support.
Is it correct? Okay. So this is 1 meter. This is 2 meter. This is 3 meter. Correct, you know?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then again there will be loading. So there will be loading. This is the loading. Next, again there will be loading. Only. Okay, so this is the loading. कितना था? This is 20 kilonewton
30.
meter per meter. This is 10 kilonewton per meter. 10
No,
kilonewton.
sir. 20 kilonewton.
So this is 10 kilonewton. Is this answer correct? है ना loading?
20 है sir.
No, sir.
हाँ
20 किलो की जगह
हाँ उसमें
20
कितना है?
है.
इधर कितना है?
30 है वो.
30 है क्या?
30
kilonewton.
ओके ओके. ऐसे तो थोड़ा ठीक करना पड़ेगा. So this is 30 and this is 20. Correct time?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Kilometer per meter. So all of you concentrate. How many of you have solved? Raise your hands. How many of you have solved this problem? Raise your hands. Yes, raise your hand. Yes, there is an option in the chat box. Raise your hands. Only 5, 6, 8, 7, 8. Okay. So बाकी लोग नहीं सॉल्व नहीं किया. रोल नंबर 40 सूरज, सौरभ, प्रतीक्षा, सुप्रिया, दानश्री, अलीम, अमोद, अनिकेत. Have you solved or not? Praveen, Tanvi, Rohini, have you solved? Yes, unmute and tell me, have you solved or not? Yes, सब लोग, please. Okay, do you want me to solve? मैंने solve करना है क्या?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here,
Yes.
this is which type of loading it is? It is a point load or a UDL or a UVL? This is UVL. In this UVL, there is two types. One is triangular loading and another one is that is trapezoidal loading. Correct, na?
Yes.
Okay. So what
Yes.
I will take. So this is trapezoidal triangular loading. I will divide this. Okay. So I will take this point is this is A point. This is given A point, and this is B point. Okay. And there will be, I will take this point is C point. I will take this is D point. Okay. AC is one triangle. Okay. I will divide this. AC is one triangle. Okay. AC and AD is another triangle. AD is another triangle. Okay. Then again I will divide this trapezoidal load into two parts. One is triangular loading and another one is UDL. Okay. UDL का इंटेंसिटी कितना है? That is minimum loading. UDL का इंटेंसिटी is minimum loading. ये trapezoidal loading में एक तरफ 20 किलोन्यूटन पर मीटर है और एक तरफ 30 किलोन्यूटन पर मीटर है. Okay, what is the minimum? Minimum कितना? 20. So I will take this 20 as a UDL and बाकी कितना remaining है? कितना remaining है? 10. So that 10 kilonewton I will take it as a intensity of triangular loading. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I will consider first. So first one is divide. I will take constant equivalent point load of triangle 1 of triangle 1 of intensity कितना है triangle 1 का?
20 kilonewton.
Intensity is 10 kilonewton. This 10 kilonewton is same for triangle 1 and triangle 2. Okay. So intensity of 10 kilonewton per meter. Okay. This is equal to, what is the equivalent point load of the triangular loading? What is the formula? Half base into height. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Half. What is the base? Base कितना है? Triangle 1 का base.
One
That is
meter.
1 meter into what is the height of the triangle 1? 10 kilonewton per meter. So I will get it is how much it is? 5 kilonewton. 5 kilonewton. This will act. Can you tell me? This will act at 1/3 of base. Base कितना है? Base कितना है? 1/3 of base. 1 meter. 1 meter. 1/3 of 1 meter is equal to 1/3 from which point? A point or C point? From highest loading. Highest point. C नहीं. From the highest loading. कहाँ है highest? That is 10 from A point. Is it clear?
Yes.
It is not from C. If you want from C, you should take it is 2. 2/3 of 1. 2/3. That is from C. That is from the minimum loading. Next, second one. Second point load. Equivalent point load. Can you tell me? Of triangle 2. Triangle 2 of intensity. Intensity कितना है triangle 2 का? Same 10 kilonewton per meter. This is equal to half. Base कितना है triangle 2 का?
2
2
2
meter.
meter.
Height कितना है? 10.
10.
So you will get 10 kilonewton. 10 kilonewton. This will act. Yes. This will act. Will act. Can you tell me? At
2
a,
by 2.
at a
1/3 of
distance. Distance. Don't take 2 by 3. You go from 1 by 3 only. At a distance 1 by 3 of 1 by 3 of 1 by 3 of 2 meter. That is from the highest loading से चालू करने का always. Okay. You can take from the lowest also. Okay. You get the same answer. 1/3 of base. Base कितना है? 2 meter. So that is equal to 2 by 3 from which point? From A point.
A
Okay.
point.
Highest loading is A point. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes. Next, third one. Okay. Third one, I will divide this trapezoid load into UDL and fourth one is triangle. Okay. So UDL 3. UDL 3 I will take. I will write. Okay. Equivalent point load of UDL इसका नाम क्या है? 3 of intensity कितना है UDL का? UDL का intensity 20 kilonewton per meter.
20 kilonewton.
This is equal to how will you convert a equivalent point load of UDL? Intensity of UDL into length of UDL. What is the intensity of UDL? 20.
20.
Into what is the length of the UDL?
20. 3.
3.
3 meter.
So this is
3.
equal to 60 kilonewton. Okay, this will act. This will act. Where it will act? At the center of UDL. That is equal to how much it is? 3 by 2. That is equal to 1.5 meter. From which point? From which point? See D to B. It is 3
B
meter.
point.
I will take center means from the B or from the D. Both are correct. From
Yes, sir.
B or from D. Both are correct. Are you getting? सब लोग?
Yes, sir.
Is there any doubt in converting this up to this much?
काय घेतलं 3 by 2? Sir,
Yes.
3 by 2 काय घेतलंय?
This is
3 by 2 काय घेतलं?
देखो ये क्या है? UDL कहाँ पर रिएक्ट होते हैं? एट द सेंटर ऑफ द UDL. करेक्ट. UDL का डिस्टेंस कितना है? UDL का डिस्टेंस 3 है. 3 divided by 2. Center of the UDL. Half of the UDL. No, it will always concentrated load of the UDL will act at the center of the UDL. करेक्ट है ना? सेंटर ये इसका लेंथ कितना है? 3 मीटर है. इसके लिए 3 by 2 बराबर. इधर क्या किया था? 1 by 3 किया था. इधर क्या कितना आया था? 2 by 3 आया था. क्योंकि ट्राइंगल का कितना रहता? 1/3 ऑफ लेंथ. करेक्ट. ये ऐसे UDL का कितना रहता? हाफ ऑफ द लेंथ. समझ में आया?
Yes.
Next one is fourth one. Yes. What is the fourth one? Equivalent
Point load.
point load of so fourth one, what is this one? Is it a triangle, UDL or a point load? Okay. Equivalent point load of triangle. What is the name? Triangle. 4 of intensity.
10 kilonewton.
Intensity कितना है इसका? That is 30 minus 20. 30 minus 20. That is equal to 10 kilonewton per meter. समझ में आया? कैसे आ गया इधर? This only this much is it is 10. 30 total 30 है, उसमें से 20 minus किया तो remaining is 10 आ गया. So this is equal to total point load. How to convert that point load? Of base. What is the base of the triangle? Triangle BD. BD is 3 meter. Into
3 meter.
what is the height of the triangle? Height of the triangle only consider. Don't consider entire.
10 meter.
That is 10. That is equal to how much? 15 kilonewton.
15.
Okay, this will act. This will act. Yes, at a distance. At a distance. At a distance. How much it is? That is 1/3 from the highest loading. Highest loading कहाँ पर है? B पर है. Okay, so इधर से इधर 1/3 of. What is the length of the triangle? Base of the triangle? That is
3 meter.
3 meter. So that is equal to 1 meter. 1 meter from which point? From B point. From B point. You can take 2/3 of from the D also.
Point.
Okay. 2/3 of the D. That also okay. Next. So I will redraw the figure. Is it correct? सभी को समझ में आ गया?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
किसी को डाउट है क्या? ओके.
सर
हाँ बोलिए.
कंफ्यूजन होता है कहाँ कब कौन सा फोर्स लेना है.
ओके इसके लिए मैंने डिवाइड कर दिया. पहले ट्रायंगल 1 ट्रायंगल लोड ट्रायंगुलर लोडिंग है उसका पॉइंट लोड करने का पहले क्या कर दिया मैंने उसका पहले पॉइंट लोड करने का. ओके नेक्स्ट वेयर इट विल एक्ट. ओके डिस्टेंस फाइंड आउट करने का. नेक्स्ट सेकंड लोड. ओके सेकंड ट्रायंगुलर लोड उसका क्या करने का. फर्स्ट यू हैव टू कन्वर्ट इक्विवेलेंट लोड देन वेयर दैट विल एक्ट. ओके दैट यू हैव टू राइट. देन थर्ड वन इज मैंने इसके लिए आई हैव गिवन कॉम्प्लिकेटेड वन. ओके इतना कॉम्प्लिकेट नहीं रहता एग्जाम में. ओके सो आपको समझाने के लिए मैंने इतना डिफिकल्ट प्रॉब्लम लिया. ओके ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस प्रॉब्लम. नेक्स्ट थर्ड वन क्या है इसका कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड लोड का फाइंड आउट कर दिया. बाद में उसका पॉइंट वेयर इट इज एक्टिंग. देन फोर्थ वन इट्स पॉइंट लोड एंड वेयर इट इज एक्टिंग. ओके सो जस्ट आई हैव कन्वर्टेड. ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. ओके ए में ए इज व्हिच टाइप ऑफ जॉइंट इट इज. सपोर्ट ए. सपोर्ट ए इज व्हिच टाइप ऑफ जॉइंट. hinge है तो how many reactions will be there.
2.
So, okay I will take one is vertical and another one is horizontal.
Horizontal.
Okay then at the D point how many reactions. At the point 1. Okay so again I will convert all those load point load. Okay so first triangle का load कितना है 5 kilonewton. So this is 5 kilonewton. So this is at 1/3 from the A. Next again there is another load that is 2/3 from the A. Another is 10 kilonewton. So another one is 2 either I. Next third one is UDL 60 kilonewton 1.5 meter from the B. From the B say 1.5 meter. Okay so from the B to 1.5 meter. Again there is one more fourth one triangular load 15 kilonewton that is 1 meter from the A. 1 meter from the B. Okay so just concentrate. So this is A point. Okay next this is B point. Next there is a D point. So D कहाँ पर है. So इधर से इधर 1 मीटर आ गया. Okay D इधर से third one. Okay fourth one check करो. So fourth one 1 meter from B. So B से इधर तक कितना है. That is 1 meter. This is 1 meter. Okay what is its magnitude. That is 15 kilonewton. Okay next third one का magnitude कितना है 60 kilonewton. 60 kilonewton. How much it is distance 1.5 meter from the B. From the B to 1.5 meter है तो so how much it is. This is how much
0.5.
okay yes good. Okay next A में आ जाओ. So A में कितना है load 5 kilonewton. Okay what is the distance. So distance from this point to A to this point. So total is 1 meter. Total इधर से इधर C to A कितना है. This is C point. C to A is 1 meter. I want only this distance. Okay this distance that is
0.5.
no concentrated load. देखो इधर कितना है 1/3 from the A. I will take 1/3 1/3 only. Are you getting. Next second load कितना है 10 kilonewton. So this is 10 kilonewton. Where this is acting. It is acting 1.5 meter from the कहाँ है. हाँ ये 2/3 from the A. So from the A से कितना है. This is 2/3 2/3. Okay if this is a 2/3 2/3 है तो then remaining कितना रहता. So that is from the D. Okay if this is a D so इधर से इधर कितना रहता. Total कितना है. Total A to D कितना है. Can you tell me. A to D is
2 meter.
2 meter है. वो 2 meter में इधर 2/3 हुआ तो बाकी remaining कितना है. That is 1/3.
1/3 yes sir.
1/3 D. Okay see B to this point, it is 1.5 meter aa gaya. Then D to this point, how much it is? See here, third one.
1.5.
So that is equal to 1.5. So this is remaining is that is equal to 1.5. 1.5. Total D to B kitna hai? D to B, that is 3 meter. Okay, 3 meter. So like this you have to divide. Okay. Next, what is the reaction A? This is VA. This is HA. Okay. So this is VB. Okay, are you getting? So from the sigma fx is equal to 0. This implies HA is equal to 0. HA is equal to 0. Then sigma fy is equal to 0. So this implies VA plus VB.
सर
हाँ,
वो 4/3 आता है,
कौन सा?
वो
1/3
2
का
मीटर
है वो।
में
Yes,
2/3
yes, correct. 4/3 आता है क्या? So 4 plus 2, 6/2. Yes, correct, very good, correct. This is total इधर से इधर कितना है? 2 है. Okay, इधर 2/3, 2 minus 2/3, 2 minus 2/3. So that is 6 minus 2, that is 4/3, correct. Okay, I got. Yes, like this you have to observe. Okay, that is correct. 4/3 is good. Next, VA plus VB is equal to, what are the downward forces? 5 plus 10 plus 60 plus 15, that is equal to 60, 70 plus 2, 90 kilonewton. 90 kilonewton. Okay, then what is point? Moment. About which point you will take? A or B?
A point.
Okay,
A point.
कैसे भी ले सकते आप. Okay, so I will take moment about A. Okay, that is equal to 0. Yes, all of you concentrated the screen. Moment about A. Okay, this is equal to 0 करना है. So start from C. C to इधर कितना है? 5 किलोमीटर. This 5 will rotate beam clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Anti-clockwise.
Minus 5 into, what is the distance between 5 kilometer force into up to A? How much it is? 1/3.
1/3.
1/3. All of you concentrate. Then after A, this is 10 kilonewton. So this is rotating clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Clockwise.
Positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive.
So next 10 into, what is the distance from A to till your 10 kilometer force?
2/3.
2/3. Okay. Next, what is there? That is 60 kilonewton. This will produce clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Clockwise.
Positive. What is the distance from A to 60? That is इधर से इधर कितना है? इधर 2/3 plus 4/3, that is 6/3. 6/3 मतलब 2 meter. 2 meter plus
3.5.
okay, so that is 60 into what I will write? This is 2 meter plus 1.5 meter I will write. Okay, I will not write directly 3.5. If you know, you can write. Okay, आपको understanding होने के लिए. So इधर से A to D कितना है? That is 2 meter है. D to point load तक 1.5 meter है. So total कितना हो गया? 2.15. Okay, is it clear everyone?
Yes.
Okay, next third load हो गया ना. Next fourth load, that is rotating clockwise or anti-clockwise? Clockwise. 15 into, what is the distance from A to till your point? So this is 2 meter. This is 3.5 meter. This is 0.5 meter. So I will write 2 meter plus 1.5 meter plus 0.5 meter. Is it clear? 2 meter means, so इधर से इधर कितना है? 2 meter आ गया. Next इधर से इधर 1.5 meter आ गया. Next इधर से इधर, that is 0.5 आ गया. Next VB is rotating upward direction, anti-clockwise. Minus VB into, what is the distance from A to B? 2 plus 3, 5 meter, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will write 5 is equal to 0. Is it visible? No?
Yes, sir.
नहीं तो मैंने इधर लिख दे. I will write it. So minus VB into 5 is equal to 0. Okay, next. So solve करने का ये पूरा. So VB minus में I will transfer that to the other side. So 5 times of VB is equal to, so this is minus 5/3, then 10 into 2/3, that is plus 20 divided by 3 plus, so 2 into 1.5, 2 plus 1.5, that is 3.5. 60 into 3.5 plus, that is 1.5 plus 0.5, 2 plus 2 4, so 15 into 4. Okay, so you solve and tell me the value of VB. Yes, all of you solve this one. Tell me the value of VB. Yes, all of you solve.
275.
55 आले सर
55 kilonewton. 275 divided by 5 करो, so कितना आता है देखो आंसर. Is this answer correct? Correct?
Yes,
है?
correct. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
then, so this is equation number 1. Substitute in equation number 1. Okay, 9. This is not a equation number 1. So this is equation number 1. Where it is? H. So I'll take this one is. So this is VA. Okay, this is equal to equation number 1, or else you will write. So this VA plus VB is equal to 90 kilonewton है ना. So this one is equation number 1. Okay, substitute this in equation number 1. So VA plus 55, VB is 55 is equal to 90. So I will get VA is equal to, so this is 35.
35.
So whatever answer you have got, is this answer correct?
yes sir
Yes,
Correct,
sir.
sir. Okay, so
yes
check it.
sir
Is there any doubt? किसी को doubt है क्या? Yes, of course you may get difficult क्योंकि इधर दो load you have to convert that into point load, again that distance. Okay, always you have to remember UDL into point load convert करने का. कैसे convert करने का? UDL into point load, UDL length into intensity into its length. Okay, where this will act? This will act always L by 2, that is half of the span. This one point. Next is triangular load. Triangular load का क्या है? Intensity. Intensity is W into its length. Okay, into half. Okay, into half. This is point load हो गया. Where this will act? This will act one third of its span from which point? From highest loading. From highest loading. Highest load. This one only you have to remember. Triangular है तो triangle का formula with one third from the highest loading. UDL है तो UDL into its span, that is center of the UDL. Is it clear, everyone?
yes sir
Okay.
yes sir
Yes, if you have any doubt.
सर थर्ड एंड फोर पॉइंट निकालने में प्रॉब्लम आता है. ट्राइपेजियम दिया होगा तो फर्स्ट कौन सा फोर्स लेना होगा वो नहीं समझ.
Yes. Whenever there is a trapezoidal loading, okay, first you have to divide that into 2 parts. Okay, so how to divide that into 2 parts? Check it. See, so whenever he has given a trapezoidal loading, okay, so this is one point, so this is another one, and this is another one. Okay, so next you have to convert that into, okay, I say okay, power supply has gone. We'll see how much time it will come. I don't know. Power has gone. Okay, so I say trapezoidal loading hai. Okay, so this is minimum or maximum? This is minimum or maximum?
मिनिमम.
Minimum.
This is maximum. Okay, so you have to divide this UDL. Okay, UDL का intensity कितना रहता है इधर? हाँ, what will be the intensity of this UDL? That is minimum. So this triangle का intensity कितना आता है? That is maximum minus minimum. Maximum minus minimum. So in this given problem, this was 30 kilonewton per meter. Okay, this was 20 kilonewton per meter था. Okay, so I have converted that into this is UDL. UDL की intensity 20 kilonewton meter. So next triangular load कितना आएगा? 30 minus 20, that is equal to 10 kilonewton per meter. That is for the triangle का. Okay, so where this will act? It's a equivalent point load half base. What is the base? That is 3 meter. So 3 into height कितना है? 10. Okay, this 10. Next, this is UDL. UDL का कैसे convert करने का? UDL is 20 kilonewton per meter into its length is 3 meter. This is आ गया. Next, where this will act? It will act at the center of the UDL. Center कितना है? Length कितना है? 3 meter. 3 meter divided by 2. Okay, it will act at the 3 by 2 from you have to take any point. Okay, B or C. Okay, point fix करने का. From that point, it is 3 by 2. Okay, this triangular load from the highest loading. This is 1/3 from the is base हो गया, and where it will act? It is one third from the highest loading, from length from highest loading, highest load. Okay, is it clear everyone?
यस सर, वो 30 का कुछ नहीं करना है
हो
क्या?
सर क्लियर है.
30
30,
के
no, again that is converted, no, that 30 is already converted, so this 30 is converted into one UDL and one more triangle.
ओके सर.
Okay, you just take down this screenshot, all of you, you can try. One work I will give you. So here I have considered moment about A, correct? So you all of you take moment about B. Okay, moment about B and try. Okay, this one moment about A I have taken, correct? Moment about A I have taken. Okay, then I am giving you one work, that is moment about B you have to take, and you have to calculate RBA. Take moment about B equal to 0. Okay, and calculate VA is how much and VB is how much. Will you do this one? So try करो, आपको practice हो जाएगा. You should get same answers. Same answers नहीं आए तो that is you are making somewhere mistake. Will you try?
यस सर.
Okay.
सर हमने बी निकाला है.
Okay, correct आ रहे हैं ना, same answers आ रहे हैं ना, फिर भी
सेम आंसर आया सर.
yes, very good, very good. Okay, so that will become practice for you. Okay, is it clear everyone? Shall we go further?
यस.
Yes.
Okay. So all of you read down. Take it down. The beam. Wait. Okay, right. Determine the support reactions. Determine the support reactions. Determine the support reactions for the beam shown in figure. For the beam shown in figure. Draw this diagram. A point, this is B point, and this is C point. This is C point. This will be D point. This is A point. This is C point. Okay, have you taken figure?
Yes, sir.
So it is compound beam. Okay, so there are two beams. So that is determinate beam only. Okay, so first one beam you have to take. Okay, see in the second beam, so how many reactions are there at a C point? At C point, how many reactions? Which support it is?
Hinged.
Hinged है तो कितना support रहेगा?
Two.
Two. D में कितना?
One.
One. Again there is a point B. Okay, this is simply supported, correct? B support is
Yes,
simply
sir.
supported. So again there will be a reaction from the B. So again there will be one. How many reactions are there total? Total how many? Four.
Four.
How many equilibrium equations are हमारे पास?
Three.
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 So can you solve this one?
No.
No. So,
No, sir.
So don't take first free body diagram of BD. So first consider AB beam. AB में कितना है reactions?
Two.
Two. B में कितना है? B
Two.
is simply support. B में कितना है?
One.
One. Total कितना हो गया? Total कितना हो गया?
Three.
Three.
How many reactions are there?
Three.
So can we solve this beam?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So we will start from which was AB beam. Okay. So always you have to consider where you can solve. Okay. So only the beam which is having minimum number of reactions. Okay. Why say beam? हम देखने का. See. So at A point there is vertical reaction. There is horizontal reaction. Okay. Next at a B point. There is vertical reaction. Okay, so for a AB beam, the beam reaction is upward. When you consider beam BD beam, the same reaction will act downward. Okay, the same reaction will act downward. Okay, because the AB and BC are joint here. Okay, the reaction which is developed at this point, it will act to the AB beam as well as BD beam. Okay, it's like in your cylinder. Okay, the sphere का problem था ना? स्फीयर इधर एक स्फीयर था, इधर कॉन्टैक्ट सरफेस है तो इसको भी रहता है, इसको भी रहता है ना. सो इन द सेम वे देयर इज ए रिएक्शन RB which is acting upward for a AB beam and which is acting downward for a BD beam. Is it clear everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now I will convert this UDL into point load. How to convert that UDL into point load? First I will take this is VA.
W into L.
So VA, this is HA.
Base into
Okay, I will take this is reaction at RB. Okay, I will take it as RB. Okay, next. So this is A point, this is A point, this is B point. Okay, B point. So next, there will be one more loading. So that is load is 60 kilonewton with respect of vertical. Okay, and there is half of the load it is. So how much it is? It is 10 kilonewton from the vertical. From the vertical, 60 kilonewton, 60 degree. From here to here, how much it is? That is equal to how much it is? It is 4/2. That is equal to 2 meter. Okay. Again, from here to here, it is how much it is? It is 2 meter. Then
2 meter.
again, remaining is how much it is?
2
It is
meter.
2 meter. Are you
2
getting it?
meter.
You have to convert this. 5 into 4. It is
20.
20.
kilonewton. Kilonewton. Okay, you can convert. So first one, the equivalent point load of UDL intensity of कितना था UDL की intensity
5 kilonewton.
kilonewton per meter is equal to UDL का intensity है तो how to convert that one? Intensity of UDL into length of UDL. Intensity of UDL is 5 into
5.
length of UDL is 4.
4 meter.
That is equal to 20 kilonewton. This will act. Yes, this will act. At L by 2. L by 2. L is how much? At L by 2. Okay, L by 2. That is L is equal to 4 by 2.
4 by 2.
That is equal to 2 meter from A point. From A point. Correct, I know?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Next. So now you can apply the equilibrium conditions for the A. So next is consider FBD, free body diagram of which beam? AB or BD?
AB.
AB beam. Okay. So in the AB, so first one is sigma fx is equal to 0. Okay. So sigma fx is equal to 0. So what are the horizontal moving forces? Yes.
2
That is
forces.
HA. HA is moving positive direction. HA is moving positive direction. Then what are the any other forces which are moving in the horizontal direction? What are the forces? That is 10
Inclined.
kilometers. So
Horizontal component.
can you tell me horizontal component of this one? This force, 10 kilometer force?
10 cos 60.
10 cos 30. 10 cos 30.
10 cos 30. Okay, this is if it is 60, so this is equal to 30 right there. Okay, इसका horizontal component that is moving positive or negative? Positive direction. So positive direction. Okay, then this plus 10 cos 30 is equal to 0. So now HA will be keep it as it is. HA. I will transfer this to other side. Minus 10 cos 30. What is the answer? Calculate. 8 minus 8.66 kilonewton. See, I have assumed in a positive direction, but I got answer is negative. It means what? It means it is not an assumed direction is wrong. Assumed direction is wrong. Therefore, HA is equal to 8.66 kilonewton. In which direction it is? It is moving in left hand direction. Okay, like this you have to take.
Yes, sir.
So this is how you have to take this. Is it clear, everyone? HA? किसको doubt है क्या?
Yes, sir.
No.
No. Okay. So now next consider moment about which point? M about A or M about B. Okay. Moment about I will take A point. A point is equal to 0. You can take sigma V also. You
Sir,
can take.
sigma F रहेगा ये.
Huh? Yes, I will
Sigma
take
Sigma
Fy
F.
रहेगा sir.
sigma Fy is equal to 0. Yes, good. Now, what are the vertical forces? Vertical is VA plus again VRB. RB is also moving upward direction, correct? RB is equal to what are the downward moving forces? 20. Then again 10 ka vertical component plus 10
10
sin
60.
30 with respect to horizontal. Is it okay? So VA plus RB is equal to 10 sin 30 is half. 5 plus 20, 25.
Yes, sir.
So this is equation number 1. Okay. So moment about A, I will consider moment about A. Okay. Now tell me moment about A is equal to 0. Okay. So HA and VA are passing through the point A. Is it producing any moment?
No.
No.
No,
Okay.
sir.
VA ka. VA, how much it is? Yes, at a 20 10 kilometer.
20 into 2.
Plus 20
Plus
into
20.
what is the distance from A to till this 20 kilometer?
2 meter.
2 meter.
Next, up to B point. So what are the forces at B point? इस 10 kilonewton का दो component है, एक X component और एक Y component, correct है? So X component is moving, line of action of the X component is moving along the A, correct?
Yes.
Is it producing any movement?
No.
No. Then coming to the
No,
Y
sir.
component. Y component is moving downward. Is it producing clockwise movement or anti-clockwise movement?
Clockwise.
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 Okay. Plus 10. What is the Y component? 10 cos, sine 30. Okay. 10 sine 30.
तर ते वाय कंपोनंट डाऊनवर्ड डायरेक्शनला म्हणलं तर मायनस साइन हे करायचं नाही का कन्सिडर करायचं नाही का
नहीं क्या बोले, ये ऑलरेडी क्लॉकवाइज है ना, देखो ये 10 के वर्टिकल डाउनवर्ड, डाउनवर्ड मतलब इट इज रोटेटिंग इन क्लॉकवाइज.
इनक्लाइन फोर्स तो वाय कंपोनंट डाऊनवर्ड डायरेक्शन तो माइनस पाहिजे ना.
माइनस देखो ये बीम है, ये दिस इज डाउनवर्ड है. ओके, कहां पर मोमेंट में क्या एफ में बोल रहे हैं आप?
FY में that FY component in downward direction minus.
Yes. I have written one step ahead. Okay, इधर देखो VA is moving upward direction plus VB is moving, RB. Okay, RB is also moving upward direction. Correct है ना? RB moving upward direction. Then minus 20 minus 10 sin 30 is equal to 0. Correct है ना? बराबर. I have transferred that into 20. I have transferred to the right hand side. Minus 10 sin 30. I have transferred into other after equal sign. So I have said afterwards you have to write this one. मैंने ये step direct लिखा था. Upward forces is equal to downward forces. Upward are these two, downward are these two. ऐसे लिखा था. अभी समझ में आया? Okay. This is one step. I have written directly. Okay. अभी आ जाओ इधर. Moment about A is equal to 0. 20 का हो गया. Next 10 का. 10 is moving downward. It is producing clockwise. So 10 sin 30 into A to B. How much it is? 6. Next.
6, sir.
Is there any other forces?
No, sir.
No. Then this is equal to 0.
No, sir. RB.
Yes. At B, RB is there. RB reaction is there. This RB reaction, how it is moving for a AB beam? It is moving upward or downward?
Anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise. Minus I will get minus RB into 6 is equal to 0. So convert this RB. I will transfer RB 6 times of RB is equal to 20 into 2, that is 40. Okay. So 10 sin 30, this is 5 into 6 plus 30. Okay. So this RB is equal to yes, what is the answer? 70 divided by 60.
45.
45. Check it again. RB into 6.
11.66.
11.67.
70, sir. 70. RB is equal to 70.
No. 11.67.
11.67
11.
divided by 6 करने का. Okay, 11.67 is correct answer. Okay, so after substitute in equation number 1. Okay, so substitute in equation number 1. Okay, so VA is equal to 25 minus 11.67. So VA is equal to, that is 13.33 kilonewton. Okay, this is moving upward direction. This is also moving upward direction. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next what you have to do, just wait for only 5 minutes here. So next you have to take FBD of B, FBD of which beam? FBD beam. Okay, so either already this is B point. Okay, again B to this is C point. How many reactions are there at C point? There is hinge. Okay, so one is vertical, one is vertical. Okay, so there are 2 reactions. One is moving upward direction and another one moving horizontal direction. Next, at a D point, there is one more reaction at a D point. So this is D point. So this is C. This is a moment point. Okay, So there is a, from this point to this point, it is totally it is how much it is. So here it is 1 meter. This is 1 meter. So this is 1 meter, 1 meter. So again from here to here it is 3 meter, 3 meter. So this is 1 meter. Correct, enough? So this RB is known now. Now RB कितना आ गया? That is equal to 11.67. So 11.67 kilonewton आ गया. So next remaining is HC and VC. Next VD you have to find out. Okay. So moment कितना है? 4 kilonewton per meter. Next you have to convert this intensity, that is triangular load, into point load that is acting downward. So convert that one. Equivalent. The equivalent point load of UVL intensity कितना है UVL का? 9 kilonewton per meter is equal to half base into height. Base कितना है UDL का? UVL का 3 meter. Height कितना है? Height is
9 meter.
9 meter. So how much it is? 27 by 2 kilonewton. 13.5 kilonewton per meter. Okay, where this will act? This will act. Tell me where this will act.
1/3 of D.
One third of it is a span. Its span is 3 meter. That is equal to 1 meter, which from D. Maximum loading is from D point. Okay, so from this point to this point it is 1 meter.
सर ये तो नहीं तो चलता है क्या? जहाँ पर 90 डिग्री एंगल हुआ वही लेने का, ऐसे भी चलता है ना?
हाँ, okay. This is remaining is 2 meter. This value is, that is 27 by 2 kilonewton. Okay, next क्या करने का? You have to apply sigma fx is equal to 0. Okay, so apply sigma fx is equal to 0. Sigma fx is equal to 0. So hc is equal to 0 आ गया. Then sigma fy is equal to 0. So what are the sigma fy? So what are upward moving forces in this BD beam में? That is VC plus VD is equal to, what are the downward moving forces? Only 27 by 2. Correct है ना? So VC plus VD minus 27 by 2. Correct है ना?
Yes.
Okay. 27 by 2 is equal to 0. So VC plus VD is equal to 27 by 2. That is equation number 2. I will take it as 2. Okay. Next, moment about which point?
नहीं लेने का
क्या?
RB.
Yes. Correct. RB लेने का है. Yes, that is also point. Yes, I forgot. Yes, RB is also L. RB is 11.67. Yes, correct. 11.67. Yes, that is equal to 11.67. Yes, this is 27 by 2 minus RB. RB is 11.67 is equal to 0. So you can calculate this one. How much you will get? How much it is?
25.17.
25.17.
35 point?
25.7.
25.17. Okay, 25.17. Okay, this is equation number 2. Okay, equation number 2. Next, find a moment about which point you will take, whether you will take the C or D. C may be 0, D may be 0. So you can take anyone. I will take moment about D. Okay, I will take moment about D. Anything you can take. So moment about D is equal to 0. Will you take this one? Will you calculate moment about D लेने का, so that you will get the VC value you will get. Okay, I will give VC is equal to, so 15.904 kilonewton you will get. Yes sir. हाँ sir, 1 minute. So VC हो गया. Next is RD you have to take. So substitute it in equation number 2, so that you will get VD. VD is equal to this much. Okay, VD is equal to 9.267. 9.267. So you try these two. Okay, apply the momentative point D, so that calculate VC and substitute in equation number 2, you will get VD. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is homework for you. Okay, you have to complete this one.
Yes, sir.
I will take the attendance
Okay,
first.
सर मागचं पेज दाखवा.
स्क्रीनशॉट लेते सर साइड थोड़ा ही
Screenshot. Okay. Wait. Yes, take down this figure. Wait, just a minute. Okay, take down figure. Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
ये
Okay,
हो गया
take down this one. Okay.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Well, we'll stop now.
Okay, sir.
We'll continue in the next class. Okay.
Sir,
So,
presenting.
presentation attendance sir will take. I will copy that one. Okay. No time of it is. Okay. So thank you all.